Hello, everyone. One of the things that I've noticed that's going on across the nation as more and more people are logging in to do their online schooling is that Schoology and Canvas and the other LMS programs are slowing down and crashing because there's so many people trying to get on at the same time. So one of the things that I have done, because our second graders don't have logins for our LMS, in my math class, I need them to be able to do work, and I don't want the parents to always have to log in to show them their work. So I have made a hyperdoc, and a hyperdoc is simply a document that gives students the steps of what they need to do and includes the links and everything in it. So I'm going to create a hyperdoc with you right now just to show you how you can do it. There are some amazing hyperdocs already created. Hyperdoc.co, I believe, is the website. You can get tons already made on many different subjects. I'm just going to show you an easy how-to. So now normally I use a table to kind of organize myself. So I'm weird, so you don't have to do it this way, but this is how I do it. So I'm going to say that this is math for 4-2. Okay. And I'm just going to center that. And then I'm going to, again, I do weird stuff and you don't feel like you have to do it the same way I'm doing. I'm just showing you an example. So now I'm going to insert another table. And there's probably a million better ways to do this. But I just like certain things the way I like it. I don't know. I can't explain it to you. So I'm going to put here measurement fun, because that's what our next class is measurement fun. So first, I want them to go into Brain Pop to watch the measurement movie. So I'm going to go here. I've already created the assignment. So I'm going to copy the assignment link. All right. And I'm going to go to the hyperdoc here. And I always change my mind how I do this as I'm doing it. So, you know what? I'm going to get rid of this column. And I'm going to do it this way instead. Okay. Watch the brain pop on measurement. And take the quiz. Other activities are optional, because when I made that brain pop, I put in a bunch of the pop a joke and all that stuff and write about it and draw about it that they can do if they want to. So now I'm going to highlight the word brain pop, and I'm going to push Control K on my keyboard. Now, if you have a Mac, I can't help you there. And then Control V to paste it in, and see how that made a link right there? Hyperlink. That's a hyperlink. Okay, so after they do that, I want them to go to Prodigy. Oh, no, I want them to go to Prodigy last. Yeah, so go to this slideshow and complete the activities. Now, you could create the slideshow as a hyperdoc itself. That works too. I have a slideshow here I've been putting together about math poetry. So I'm going to go to the share, and I have to name it. So, okay, math poetry. And I'm going to get my shareable link. Now I'm going to click on anyone at Shet Khalil because I want to put this open because my second graders don't have Shet Khalil accounts. So anybody on the web who has the link, and I'm going to save, and it says can view because I don't want them to write on this. I just want them to see it so they can write on their piece of paper or their dry erase board or whatever. So here we go. Okay, so I'm going to enter in that link. Okay, now on the slideshow, they're going to read this poem by Shel Silverstein. They're going to prepare to write their own poem about being 5 inches tall. And then I created a little frame for them that they will fill in the blank. Okay. So let me go back here. And I'm going to put the directions on here too, just to give it to them so they know what to do. Read the poem, then create your own poem. Now, of course, I'm probably going to add in some pictures and make this a little cuter as well. But again, I'm just showing you the basics. So insert row below. And then 3, go to Prodigy. Sorry for coughing all the time. It's just, I have a cough. I've had it for a year. So nothing to be worried about. You can't catch it from me anyway. You're virtually with me. So go to Prodigy and play. Oh, let me say battle, because that's what we do in battle. And battle with measurements. Okay, so here is my Prodigy. Now I want to go to the student login. So I'm going to click play Prodigy, and then I can just copy that link, Control-C copy. And I didn't spell it right. So, and I'm going to highlight Prodigy and put in my link there. So that is my hyperdoc. Now, again, this is just the basic of it. Very little stuff. I might come in here and put in a picture of Moby. So I'm going to insert an image. I'm going to search the web and find Brain Pop Moby. I actually do have a picture of me and Moby together from a conference I could put in there. That would work. Okay, and I'm going to insert that picture. And then I'm probably going to have to, oh, that made it not too big. That's pretty good. I'm still going to make it a little bit smaller. Now my second graders are going to say, hey, who's that guy with Moby? Because they're used to Annie and Moby, but that's okay. All right, so that's how I can fancy it up a little bit. But a hyperdoc is simply putting all your things together in one place, so that kids aren't having to log in here, log in there, go to different things. And if you could even, what I do for my math class is I go into our math program and I screenshot the questions and I put them in there too, so that they can not have to worry about what book they're on. Like I have, that's it right there actually, for what they're doing today. So, so that's what I do to try to make things a little bit easier. So this is called a hyperdoc, and it's just a simple way to put work together in one spot and not have kids have to click here to find this, click here to find this, click here to find this, and have to maneuver through maybe a learning management system that they haven't even used before. It's just an easy way to make things work. So enjoy, and if I can help you in any other way, please let me know. Have a great day.